Yes, Daddy. We're here in Electronic Fries. We are planning to buy some karaoke, but it's kind of expensive today. It's worth like 350, and we're not sure if it's worth it to buy. But we are here now eating some food.
Yeah. It's the best sandwich.
With my little
Better
one.
than the fast food.
Yeah. Here's my baby. Oh, say hello, LJ. Yeah. I know. Say hello. What are you eating, LJ? He's eating some pastrami. Yummy. Look at that. Say yummy. He's eating that pastrami there. And this is the daddy. He is eating his favorite sandwich.
Pastrami. The best sandwich.
Yeah, and this my baby, he like his food
Yeah,
too.
the best sandwich here. Favorite.